Hello, this is Dante with Clark County Plumbing. I am at address 2101 Thompson Avenue in Vancouver, Washington. I've gained access through the 4-inch cast iron vent on the back side of the structure. I have pushed out approximately 71 feet, and I will now begin to pull back and start my inspection. So I was only able to push out 71 feet due to the condition of the pipe being the concrete pipe. It did transition to concrete from cast iron, and the concrete pipe is so porous I was only able to push out 71 feet. That appeared to be a pretty aggressive belly from 71 to 60 feet. You can see there's a small amount of grease on the side of the wall. You can see there's a small amount of roots intruding from the top of the pipe. There's another small root intrusion at the top of the pipe. There's an offset 45 degrees. There's another 45, and that's also the transition from cast iron, 4-inch cast iron to 4-inch concrete. It appears to be a little bit of a separation due to the soil and roots intruding from the top of the pipe. I'm now in the vertical stand vent, so that will conclude my video inspection.